I am just learning this stuff. This is my 4th year of successful gardening. I have been learning on YouTube. And let me tell you something, YouTube is a fantastic resource. And I believe very strongly in this community on YouTube that is just ever growing and becoming such a fantastic resource. You can learn, well, first of all, you can learn anything. When it comes to gardening, you can learn anything. And the cool thing is, the thing I just find most fascinating, you know, there's a lot of gardening channels out there, and some of these gardening channels speak to some people and some of them don't. And the thing is, find the ones that match your personality. If you like that person doing that gardening channel, there's a few that I love. I love Roots and Mrs. Bowtie and I both love Roots and Refuge, Stivers, uh, Living Traditions Homestead. There's so many of them out there. There's some that just I watch, and that really speak to me. And so, you know, I've mentioned this several times recently, the potato videos. There's several people that have put potato videos out here recently, and you know, beginning to end potato videos. I've got one coming out pretty soon. As soon as those potatoes up there that are really looking bad die, I've got to have a potato video coming out. But you know, I'm here in Destin, Florida. I do things one way. Callie Kim out in Los Angeles, she does things another way, and she has a different personality. And I know for a fact there are people that like her better than they like me, and that's fine. And then Hollis and Nancy, and you gotta love Hollis and Nancy. They got plenty of space, but boy, they go through every detail, beginning to end with these videos, and just do some fantastic stuff. And Luke over at MI Gardener, and all these people doing these potato videos, and each one of them has a little something different. Just a little something different. And the cool thing is, as you're going along and you're doing your stuff, you say, I want to try that process. And maybe it doesn't work. Log it somehow. Write it down, put it on a computer, write it on your phone, make a video, put it on your YouTube channel if you wish. But, you know, keep a record of it. And if it doesn't work, try something different next year. And you can find great things to do all over the place. It's so awesome. And so we're building a community here, and you know, I ask people to subscribe to my channel, and it's just part of the growing whole. All the people that are out there, the millions who have subscribed to all the channels out there, and people are finding channels that speak to them. If you don't like my style, I guarantee there's someone out there who will speak just to you and be just your kind of person, and give the details you need, or maybe specifically for your area. GardenerScott, you know, he's in Colorado, and of course I'm in Destin, Florida. He's up in Colorado near the mountains, foothills of the mountains, I guess it is. And his growing area is completely different. I learn stuff from him all the time. But you know, he has a following locally, people that follow him that learn right for their area what they do. And they're learning certain things from him. I'm learning certain things from him. Some guy in Germany is learning certain things from him. It's just such a resource of information, and so many different ways to learn that we have the ability to try out all these different ways. And I encourage you to do that and grow the community, and subscribe to those channels that you find speak to you. And just, you know, stay contacted with them, and spend time with your people, and learn to get to know them. And it's interesting because sometimes you get to know them and they try things and you realize, oh, I know why they're trying that, because 2 years ago, you know, something happened, and you start getting these stories all put together and stuff. So it's just it's really a wonderful time. You know, this is a golden age, and I think it's only going to get better for learning how to garden. And so